currently I'm struggling mentally, physically, emotionally. My nail bed ripped off my finger last night while I was just trying to use the bathroom. Currently my hair is dripping down my back, and the biggest struggle right now out of all those, not even 3, this is the 3rd one. I look like a bear. I haven't shaved.
What?
Well, I've shaved. Listen, wait a minute. I shaved other places, but my legs, I hate shaving my legs. And I look like Monique at the Oscars. A bear. Tigers, oh my. I just haven't gotten around to it. It's been months on months. 3, 4, maybe 5 months. I don't know. But today the struggle. I'm gonna ease up on my struggles and wax my legs today. Wax strips are a thing now. They're just becoming like the new crave, whatever you want to call it, crave cereal, whatever. I've tried wax strips previously. I tried the Glee wax strips, and those work. They smell amazing. But when it comes to like certain areas, they don't work. They mostly work on the legs. So today I decided to use a different type of wax strip, and I decided to go with the flamingo wax strips because I was like, you know, Glee is only at Walmart. I just go to Target now. You know, it's already open because I tried it. I tried it on other parts of it. It didn't work.
I am disgusted.
We're just gonna do it on the legs today. Let's get to it. Ooh, my knees. My knees were ashy. Can't have that. These smell gross. The other ones smell like raspberry. Ooh. I'd rather wax than shave, cause to be honest, it's easier. It hurts.
Bruh.
My leg tingling. Ooh. You know why not? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'ma just go for it. Yup.
Cut the cameras.
Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Oh, wait a minute. It's going. Back to back. Ah! My leg is numb. This is just one leg. Oh, bro, these suck. The Glee ones are better. Ah! Ow! Oh! I'm back. Here we go. Oh! Ah! The way I did on the other, almost said the other foot, the other leg, don't do that. Don't put a whole bunch on at one time. You know, I was like, I'm be smart today and just boom. It does not work well.
Bruh.
Ugh. Ah. Wait a minute. Don't do that. Don't put a whole bunch on at one time. Doing the exact method I said I'm not gonna do. I'm tired and I want a popsicle now. Alrighty. Whoa! I just stuck my leg to the carpet because I'm dumb. You know, these wax strips, flamingo, I like the Glee strips better. One, because they smell better. These very much smell just waxy. The Glee ones smell like raspberry. Compared to the Glee strips, this left like a lot more hair. I can't talk. A lot more hair left on my legs. Other than that, I mean, they don't really get the job done. That's it. Subscribe to my channel, please. Check out more content from me. Bye.